Here we are going to explore how packages help to organize and structure Python code. Package is a directory of Python modules. A package initializer file marks a directory as a package and it organizes related modules hierarchically. We use the dot notation for the imports. Python packages are essential for organizing the related modules in a hierarchical structure. They group related functionality together, making the codebase easier to navigate. Packages enable truly modular programming, allowing to reuse code efficiently. Now let's see the package creation. First, we need a directory structure with empty init.py file to mark it as a package. Next, we create a module for addition operation in the basic subpackage. In this module, we define our addition function. The function simply returns the sum of two numbers. We create another module for subtraction operation. So it returns the difference between two numbers. Once we create our package, we need to understand how to import it and use its functionality. Python offers several ways to import from the packages. In the first line of importing, we are importing a specific function directly from its module within the package structure. And in the next line, we can import the entire module and access its functions with a dot notation. Next, the sub-packages, which allows to create even more sophisticated code organization. Sub-packages enable nested organization, perfect for complex projects. They create a hierarchical module structure that mirrors the program's logical organization. This tree structure shows our complete package organization. The root math operation package contains two sub-packages, basic and advanced. Each sub-package has its own init.py file and contains modules for specific operations. The basic package handles addition and subtraction, while advanced package manages multiplication and division. Packages provide exceptional modular code organization, keeping the related functionalities together.